Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from UAG for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have the UAG Civilian Series case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I wanted to try out this case. I never used a UAG case last year for my Fold 3, so I decided to pick one up today and try it out. UAG makes some great cases for other phones. I actually have some for my S22 Ultra. But in my videos, we're going to check out and see if you can wireless charge, overall feel, overall fit of the case, and just see how overall does it protect your beautiful device. You can pick this up from Amazon. Again, I will have the links in the description. But UAG wins for presentation. I say that a lot. Presentation to me, when you buy these cases, you don't want it just in like a little bag or something. When companies spend money on this, you know the case should be pretty good. But bam, if y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It says drop tested. I will not be dropping my Galaxy Z Fold 4 for anybody. Nope, not me. But let's see what you get. Now this one does have like a hinge protection on there. Look at that. I have never seen a case like that before, but let's try it out. So here's the case itself. These cases are pretty lightweight. Now they do have some adhesive strips. It has some instructions on there. It tells you how to install it. I will try to install it without the strips just to see how the phone case works. Again, I have other cases to review, so I don't want to try to stick it if I don't have to. But so it's a one-piece case. Oh, do y'all see that? Will that tear or rip? I don't know. But let's see. I'm gonna try to take off at least this one here. Let's see what it does. Try to get it in there good. Now you might have to use the adhesive to hold it down. I do have the adhesive on this side. What y'all think about that hinge protection? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Now in this case, does add some bulk, and that hinge, listen. I don't know, that's a weird design, y'all. So the volume rockers are also closed in there. So you have the volume rockers there, the power button there, but you do get lip action. Look at that. I mean, you do get camera protection, my bad. I like the design of the case. You also get the lay down protection, or I call it lip protection. So you do get that lip protection there. The cutouts at the bottom line up pretty good, especially if you put the case on right. At the top, they line up pretty good too. Now you really may want to put the adhesive on when you get your case, but I think this will be good. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner. So it works. The volume rockers work too. The last two cases I had did not have the volume rockers open. What y'all think about that? That actually looks pretty good too. The only thing is, when you close the hinge, feels a little weird. But it's not bad overall. I kind of like it. I like the blue. I think it comes in 3 different colors. And it will protect your phone. I mean, if you drop it, you're gonna protect it. You don't have to worry about hitting on the hinge and scratching the hinge. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge with it. Not a problem. And it actually looks good. But how long will this hinge last? That's a weird design though. I've never seen someone do it like that. But if you want to pick this case up, I will have the link in the description. You can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out. One more time. Let's try the hinge. And bam. Not bad. Not bad at all. Until next time, y'all. Peace. Forbes out.